Hello dance friends, Rob and Dyanick here to teach you Whiskey, Whiskey, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a super high energy, high beginner partner-contra dance. It's very fun in my classes. A lot of people don't want to do contra dances or partner dances, but once they get out there, they have a lot of fun with this. It is a 32 count dance. We start with our weight on our left foot, and we're going to shuffle to the right, rock back, recover, shuffle to the left, rock back, recover. Those are Lindy shuffles. Then you're going to shuffle forward with your right. You're going to shuffle, step out left, you're going to pivot half, shuffle forward on the left, step out right, pivot half to your left. So you end up in the same spot. So let's try that again. Shuffle forward, pivot, turn, shuffle forward, pivot, turn. Now you're going to stomp on your right, recover, and a coaster step on the right, stomp left, recover, coaster step on the left. All right, so let's put those three sections together. Ready, Lindy, shuffle to the right, rock back, recover, shuffle left, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, stomp right, right coaster step, stomp left, coaster step. All right, that's 3/4 of the dance. So the last section of 8 is where we will switch walls, and I'm going to have my partner help me show you this. But first of all, I want you to learn it on your own. So you're going to make a quarter to your left, all right? So you're going to turn a quarter left and step out to your right and drag the left in. You're going to cross over. And then you're going to make a quarter back on your left and slide to your left, okay? And then you're going to end with a V step, out, out, in. Right, left, left. All right, so let's try that again. Weights on your left after the stomp. So you're going to make a quarter to your left, slide to your right, quarter back on the left, slide to your left, and out, out, in. Okay, that is the whole dance. Let's put it together from the top. Shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, stomp, coaster step, stomp left, coaster step, quarter slide, out, out, in. Awesome. I have my lovely assistant Meg today to help us out. We're going to stand right shoulder to right shoulder. You always want to end up there and maybe back just a little bit, okay? And that's where you want to be with your partner. All right, so we're going to give it a try. Weights on your left. We're going to do those Lindy shuffles to the right. Rock back, recover, shuffle left. Rock back, recover, shuffle forward. You're going to pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, and stomp. Coaster step, stomp, coaster step, quarter slide, out, out, in. All right, so you notice that when we cross over, we're crossing back to back. So let's just show them that part again. So we're going to do that quarter slide, and we end up exactly back right shoulder to right shoulder. So that's something you should be aware of. You don't want to be too far apart, and you want to make sure you're not standing right together. Always about right shoulder to right shoulder. All right, let's do it one more time to give them a little practice. Ready, Lindy, shuffle, rock back, shuffle, rock back, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, pivot half, stomp right, coaster step, stomp left, coaster step, quarter slide, out, out, and in. Awesome. So we're going to do a demo for you. It's a really fun, upbeat song. If this tutorial helps you, please like, subscribe, post any comments down below. Thanks so much.
appreciation, gratitude. Don't do it for me, though. Do it for you. You can listen to a matters of behavior your show. The school out of bounds at the bottom shelf. So I thought I would look around and head down the road. I can pick it up, but I can't do it. The singer's getting sore. We raise the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more. When I say 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whiskey, the singer's getting sore. We raise the roof, now we're lowering the floor. The band is blistered, but we got a little more.
Chorus live.
When I say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Thanks so much.